useful. Now I have written here two equations. X plus 2y equal to -1, twice x minus 3y equal to 12. This is second equation. So first of all, we have to calculate value of d. To calculate value of d, you have to take coefficient of x 1 and 2, and here in this case 2 and -3. So you have to take multiplication of 1 and -3. So multiplication of 1 and -3 is -3 minus multiplication of 2 into 2, 4. So -7. In this way, value of d, therefore value of d is -7. After this I will write dx. Now to get the value of dx, instead of coefficient of x, I will take constant terms. -1 and here 12 and 2 and -3. Means coefficient of y are taken as it is, but instead of coefficient of x, I have taken constant terms. So that is equal to product of these two terms, -1 into -3 means +3 minus 2 into 12, 24. That is equal to -21. In this way, dx equal to -21. Now we will try to calculate value of dy. Now coefficient of x are 1 and 2, and instead of coefficient of y, I will take constant terms, means -1 and here 12. That is equal to product of these two terms 12 minus product of these two terms -2. That is equal to 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14. Therefore, dy equal to 14. Now x equal to, therefore x equal to dx upon d. That is equal to value of dx is -21 upon d -7. So this is equal to 3, because negative and negative, both the signs are negative to numerator as well as denominator. That is why it will become positive. So therefore x equal to 3. Now y equal to dy upon d. That is equal to 14 upon -7. So this negative sign goes to numerator. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So -2. In this way, x equal to 3 and y equal to -2 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. I think you might have followed the steps given by me. Thank you.